Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Matt Waters. In today's how-to video, I'm going to show you how to use wood burning technique to make an old vintage style plaque. And you can use this plaque to either put like a picture on, put an award on, or you could use it for taxidermy purposes. It's up to you. But stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so to get started on this project, we're going to need a couple things. First, you're going to need whatever you're going to be planning on burning, which in this case, we're going to do this plaque right here. Then we're going to need propane, and you're going to need a torch head. Now I got this set up right here for just 20 bucks at Ace Hardware. You can see it's got the Ace mark on it, and it comes with the torch head right here, and it comes in a little kit all together in one box for 20 bucks. So also you're going to need some wire brushes. I prefer like the steel wire kind, and I got a bigger version so you don't take all day to do little spots. And I also have a smaller brush too, and that's optional. You can either use one or the other. And I also got some clear wood enamel spray so that whenever we get all our grains to rise up, we're going to go ahead and clear it out and seal it all. And we're also going to need some 220 sandpaper, and I prefer to use this method on like a Velcro block, just like this, where you can just pick these up and stick them right on there, just like that, and sand away. Alright, so next I just want to get everything out of my work way. I want to get the clear out, and I want to get the brushes out of my way, and I'll just want to go ahead and get this torch head put on right here. We're just going to screw it on, just like that. Now it's ready to go, and I'm going to put my piece in the center right here where I'm going to be working, and we're going to go ahead and give that a light. Alright, so now the torch is lit, and we got it wide open. I'm just going to let it go ahead and warm itself up just a little bit, because it's a little bit cold out. Alright, so now that our torch is nice and warmed up, what we're going to do, guys, is we're just going to burn it, right? We're not going to do like the other videos where they say, oh, just give it a light little... No, that doesn't look great. I want this thing to be black tarred almost. That way when we go over it with the wire brush, it's going to knock some soot off. So let's go ahead right now. As I said, torch is going. It's got a nice flame on it. So we're going to go ahead and start burning it. Now don't try to focus too much time in one spot or you will catch your piece on fire. You just want to go over it nice and gently. But I want to get mine dark. So I went over the top one good time, so I want to go over it one more good time. Alright, so now I'm going to start going ahead and doing these edges. You just want to roll on the edges, because if the flame tip gets too much contact with this edge right here, it's gonna really char it out, and it's gonna catch it on fire. So you just want to kind of go quickly over this area. Go around like a sweep like that, and then come back. And then let off, and then come back. Alright, so spin it around. Alright, so now that we've covered the piece all over with our propane torch, we're just going to let it cool down for a little bit, then we're going to come back with our wire brush. Alright, so now I'm going to take a glove to hold the piece in place, and then I'm going to take my wire brush and start sanding it down. Alright, now that we've wire brushed all the soot down, we're going to take our 220 sandpaper and we're going to give it a nice scuff. You can see a huge difference already, and we haven't even put any stain or any paint or anything. That's what it was originally like on the back side, and just by burning it, wire brushing and staining it, you've already got this like pecan shell color. So we're just going to keep giving it a nice little sanding. Alright guys, so now that we got everything sanded down nice and smooth with our 220, what I'm going to do is take my clear coat spray right here, and we're going to give it a light coat. Alright, that's all I want to give it right this second. I'm going to let that kind of dry out, that way the next coat I give it has a little something to stick to. We got looking so far on our first little quick coat. Now we're going to give it a nice bold coat. Alright, so there we go guys. There's our wood burn plaque that we've done for today, and as you can see, it looks pretty cool. Looks very old and vintage. Haven't decided what I'm going to do with it yet. Maybe I'll put like a picture down right here and Mod Podge it in or something, make it look like an old picture frame or something like that. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you liked the video, hit that like button down below. It's free. Have a great day guys.